Good morning, Mad Science Garage. Back in the shop. Today we're gonna start actually doing a little bit of work, mainly just disassembly on the C10. We're gonna be basically stripping that entire front end apart because I want to see what's going on with the frame on this car. Tend to start, and I don't really necessarily know how I'm gonna start, but I'm just gonna start pulling shit apart, taking it upstairs, starting it up. And yeah, we'll get going. Well, I don't know what happened because the camera stopped working, but we got the fender off.
Later.
Oh, we got the bed off. Today, we removed the cab. Ultimately, I came down to the decision. I just came back from Texas, but I decided that I was going to change out this frame. I found a good one. And so I'll do all the body work and all the rust repair and all the things I need on the cab. I'll cut this one up into pieces and we will be replacing the frame. A little later on, I might go pick it up and stand it up just like I did this bed right here. Oh, this is my buddy's Jeep Willys. It's a 1948. She cranks, but she don't really run that good. But anyway, cab off, suspension, I don't know, frame chopped, thrown away, keep the front clip, because I guess they're valuable, and that's what we're gonna do today. So Kim's about to pull up right now. Oh, I forgot. Oh, NV3500 trans to bolt to the 5.3 that I have for this truck, which is just a junkyard motor with like no intake manifold and nothing like that.
You're telling me your dick. Yo.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, what it do, man?
Welcome back to Mad Science Garage, bro.
Hey, are we still a thing?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Kim's gonna help us. Well, he's kind of part of the channel, kinda. But he's gonna help lift this cab off of this. Alright, so we're gonna start off by pull off all the front suspension, roll it out, remove the front bumper. I'll lay the front down, I'll pick up the rear.
You got some overalls? You got anything over here like that?
No.
She got some.
And then I gotta remove the rear end. I'm talking to the camera, Kim, not you.
Oh.
You're like, damn, why are you telling me all down here?
Whatever, if you don't got overalls, I can't help.
But yeah, anyway, Kim. But yeah, remove front suspension, remove front bumper, pick up rear end, remove the rear end, and then it'll be easier to lift this chassis off the frame, I think, I hope. Alright, we removed the front bumper and it slid out.
Yeah, Kim helped.
Kim helped. Kim did help.
Shout out Kim.
Shout out Kim. Holding it down.
P.O.P. What is it? P.O.P.? What does it say? I don't know. P.O.P. Hold it down.
P.O.P. Hold it down. Right, these all good pimp squad, baby, for life.
No.
Alright. Shut up, fool.
It's not rocket science.
Alright, so this is dropped, the rear end, we pushed the thing forward. It's gonna be, what? Huh?
Joint slanging box. Huh?
Alright, so we're basically gonna try to lift the cab off, but it's really heavy, so I don't know if it'll work. So we'll find out right now.
I don't think it's a piece of shit. It's like aware. The truck itself is aware it's a piece of shit.
Alright, so Agus, you're gonna hold it here. Me and Kim will lift on that side. As we pull it over to you, you'll pull this.
1, 2.
Hey, bro, Kim's side's gonna have to look really good.
Yeah, really high.
Pick it up, I'm gonna slide it towards me.
I know, how about I have Kim on this side with me?
Mm-hmm.
So we can both lift it up and then you slide it. 1,
2, 3.
You know, I got one on my knuckle.
Good. Cool. Let me see.
No, I'm good.
Oh, I need to build it up a bit.
No, it's just the skin.
It should go a little. It needs to go a little more.
least.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Here.
You good? That's it. Okay.
That's one way to go about it.
Now, Tim,
Where do you want this?
make sure the jack doesn't move.
Okay.
I mean, make sure the jack doesn't slide off.
Okay.
Huh?
It's gonna slide off because you're hitting frame now.
That's why we're gonna do it evenly, Kim. Right.
No, okay, so push.
Kim, who's gonna push it right now? We're gonna push evenly, so. Alright, you push, Taco? Good, Kim.
Yeah, I'm straight. I'll let you guys know when it's too late. No, stop. You're not pushing enough.
I didn't push yet. I was trying to straighten it out first.
Oh, yeah. Okay, good.
Oh, hold on. The frame came. Oh, one break like that. Take the master off. No, fucking cut the line.
Where do you want this? Like,
We're gonna put this anywhere for now. We're gonna cut this frame up, and this will go where the frame is.
come. Evenly. So good. You're about to hit that top
We're
right
not
now.
good. Hold on. Let's just cut it.
Wait, hold on.
Drop it. Hey, sawzall it is. Or we can just go get the right breaker. Drop it.
I don't know. Just don't want to.
Yeah, we still need a hold on. Yeah, we need arrows. Thanks for.
Hey, why don't you just cut the whole project right now? You turn this into a couch and you just call it a day.
Alright guys, thanks for sticking around till the end of the episode. Yeah, so that's kind of where we left off. The cab was removed, the bed was removed, the frame was kind of pushed off to the side. The frame ultimately gets cut and thrown away. The front tabs for the bumper were kept, so we can put it on the new frame that we got, which you'll see next episode. Next episode as well, we'll be kind of tackling on how to situate the cab to get all the rust repair done on it, so then we can sit it on the new frame. But that's all next week. For now, like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever you want. If you do comment, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to get to all the comments. And I'll see you guys next week.